Hey guys, it's Gina Militia from GinaMilitia.com. Remember when you were at school and you used to put your name on your pencil case and your textbook? Wouldn't it be cool to do the same to your Lightroom workspace? So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you just go up to the top there click on the Lightroom tab and go down to Identity Plate Setup. You'll get a little dialog box, and then there's a little drop down menu. If you click on Personalized, you'll come up with another little dialog box, and you can see that you can actually customize the look of your Lightroom workspace. So there's a couple of several different ways you can do it. So you can actually just have your name there, and I've popped my name in here, and I've used the exact same font as a Lightroom have and kept it to the same size. And the only thing I've changed is what Lightroom do is when you have a particular module opened, it will colorize that as highlight it as white, and I've changed the preference color to red. So if you click on that little color box there, you'll get the color wheel, and you can basically pick whatever color you want. So if you want to make it hot pink, you can. If you just want to stick to the default of white, you can. If you want blue, you could change it depending on how you feel on any given day. So let's change it to hot pink. I quite like that, so we'll leave that there. Click OK, and then I've got that there. So if I want to maybe have my logo there instead, I can go into the identity plate setup. I click on personalize, and I can go down, and I've already pre-done one. So there it is there. I'm basically just using a PNG file and click on use graphical identity plate. And if I want to, I can remove the hot pink highlighter. I can bring it back to red, or just keep it as neutral white for this one. This can be my more professional looking Lightroom page. And the other option is I could go and name it something that I love to look at every day, which is Nutella, and no one really needs to be reminded of the fact that I do love Nutella, and so I've got that written there to remind me every day when I look at Lightroom. And I've actually changed the color, and you can change the look of the font as well. So what I've done is matched it up so that the develop modules are all in the same font. I've got my develop module highlighted there in red, but again, I could do that as a chocolate color if I could find. There's chocolate. The shame about that is it doesn't show up as well as red does. So not as good. So go back to red there instead. So there you go, and I've got you can actually have regular or bold. I think regular looks better for this. And if you really like what you've done as a customized identity plate, you can save it as and give it a name. So this is I love and hit save. And so now I've got all the different personalized identity plates listed. So if I want, I've got my generic one, I've got GM logo, I've got I love Nutella, and you can even have I love Nutella green if that's what I want. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and personalize your Lightroom workspace just like you did your pencil cases and books. Thanks, guys.